Hi, this video is about testing email magic links in your API or application using a no-code automation framework. So I'm going to use Browserstack's low-code automation tool, and I have it installed on my computer here. And I'm going to load a test application that allows us to sign up with an email address and receive a magic link. So I'm going to click Start Recording. And now it has loaded my test application. So the first step, I'm going to just validate that we're on the correct page. So I'm going to say element presence, and I'm going to click this login. And we've now added a step to validate that the login text is present on the page. Now, in order to create an email address for sending the link to, we can use the MailSlurp test interface, which is a free UI that can create disposable email accounts. So I'm going to paste that into the URL bar now and click enter. And we can see that on the right-hand side, the interface is recording these steps. So now I want to extract out a value, this email address, which is our disposable email account. I'm going to save that to a variable called email. Click create. And we can see here it is extracting the value input and saving it to a variable email. So now if we go back to our test application, we can use the saved variable in our email address. So I'm just going to type test for now. And then what we want to do is we want to click on that step in the editor and override this test value and replace it with a variable. So we're going to say import a variable. And here I can click email. And now when we run the test, it will use the email address we created in the test interface to fill this field. So now I'm going to rerun until this step to reset the browser state so that we can insert the email address variable into this field without typing test and delete. So I'm going to click on execute till here, and that's going to restart this test execution and show us what we've got so far. So it's validating that login exists, it's opening the test interface, it's extracting the email variable, it's opening up our login form, it's pasting in the email address correctly, and now it's waiting for us to take the next step. Okay, so let's send magic link, and it recorded that button. Okay, now we can assert that the click magic link text is showing. And if we go back to our MailSlurp test interface again, we can see the email has arrived in our disposable inbox. So let's click on that email, and it is recording that event. And we can see a confirm email button. So let's click on that now. And we have loaded our authenticated dashboard in this iframe. So we can now make an assertion that an element is present, and we can save this recording. Well, I hope that video helped to explain email magic link testing. And if you want more information like this, check out mailslurp.com or our videos on YouTube. Thanks for watching.